Hey, what's going on YouTube, and welcome to another video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to put down some Prodiamine so you don't have to deal with those pesky winter weeds in the upcoming season. Now, down here in the south, and especially in South Florida, our grass types, they don't go dormant. They slow down in their growth, but dormancy is not in their nature. Oh, so where'd I get that nice little hat from? Quick video before we go down and throw down the Prodiamine out in my lawn. I want to give a big shout out to the LCN himself, Alan Hain, the lawn care nut, and Brett from Brett Brascapades. I'll put a link to both of their YouTube channels down below in the description, so you guys, if you don't know them, you could go ahead and check them out. So I was out with both these guys, both awesome dudes. Can't say nothing bad about them. Energetic, educational, charismatic, funny. So if you guys have any doubts on these guys, they are the complete opposite of what you think. They are just your average being lawn care nuts. Yeah, I just had a blast with them. Hope to do it again sometime. These two are like white on rice, butter on bread, fertilizer to the grass. Check out this video while I get everything ready, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
What's going on,
Brett?
My name is Brett. I have a YouTube channel called Brett's Grasscapades. Look me up, youtube.com/Brett's Grasscapades. And then
you're a pro, dude.
We got Alan Hain, the man, the myth, the legend, the lawn care nut.
Hey, glad to have you guys out. Dan, thanks for coming out, man. It is really cool. All the way up from Broward County, drove up this morning. I hope we can catch at least one fish for you. I mean,
we'll try.
We'll try.
We don't know what
something.
We're doing.
Yeah,
we really don't know what we're doing.
But we look good. We have nice fishing shirts.
My fishing pole matches my shirt, and that was not intended.
And I just came out here with a Duff shirt.
Got it. That's a good. That's not a bad snook at all.
Not bad. It's a good size.
Not bad ever. Yeah, baby. It's always nice when I catch the first fish, so I act like I know what I'm doing. See, I don't have to catch another fish now because I caught the first one. Oh, that's a great one.
Little baby. Oh, poor little guy.
Look at his pretty little colors. At least now we can say you caught something, though.
Yeah. So if I leave the day, so far Brett hasn't caught anything. So
great.
If I leave today with just this,
you're second place.
Brett's buying lunch.
Oh yeah. Well, Brett's buying lunch anyway.
That's a big old cat.
Yeah, man. Here he is. Alright. Oh!
Alright. That's all right. You touched the leader. So
half. That's half of a catch.
You touched the leader.
Alright, so let's go ahead and let's talk about a little bit about Prodiamine. So this is a water-soluble Prodiamine product. This is a pre-emergent product. So pre meaning it tries to stop the weeds before germinating up from the soil, so you don't have to deal with those pesky weeds all year round. Now we're gonna go and put down the minimum amount of this product because we're gonna put this product twice. We're gonna put some down today, and we're gonna put down some about 2 to 3 weeks from now, so we could make sure that we have some good coverage for the next 3 months. So this Prodiamine I got from Yard Mastery. Link down below. Make sure you guys go ahead and click it. That's my affiliated link. Any little bit helps keep this channel going. And yes, that is Thor running circles over there. Alright. Anyways. So Guys, always read the label. Make sure you look up what grass type you have. Follow the instructions to put down the minimum amount to the maximum amount so you guys can get the right coverage for your grass types. In my case here, I have St. Augustine grass. And St. Augustine grass, a minimum amount of this product is, we're going to go with the ounces over here, 0.36 to a maximum amount of 0.83. So we're going to put down this application twice this season. So we're going to use the half rate. So it should be about a 0.55, 0.56. We'll just call it 0.60. We're going to keep it nice and even. And we're going to put this down today. All right, so I got my water tank filled up halfway to the 1 gallon mark. Now, if you have blindside, this cup doesn't work because obviously the blindside granulars, they are not the same as these for the Prodiamine. Pretty much what I did, which I just dropped, is I used the tablespoon measurements right here of what is it that I wanted to use. All right, so in the instructions there, it gives you a tablespoon measurements. All right, so this is a measurement for 2 gallons since I have 2,000 square feet, and we're gonna just dump this in here. Okay, and now I'm gonna fill up the other half of the gallon up to the 2 gallon mark, agitate it a little bit, and we're ready for spray. Always wear PPE when dealing with these type of chemicals. You don't want to get any of this on your skin. It's no. We filled up to the 2 gallon mark, and as you see, the water is yellow. Prodiamine does that. The granulars, well, these little granulars for the liquid, you see that they're yellow. And if you ever buy the granular version to use with a spreader on here, you'll see that the granulars are yellow also. So that's nothing to worry about. This is not horse piss, this is Prodiamine. And yeah, so we're gonna agitate it now. We're gonna turn on our battery sprayer to get that compression going, and then we're gonna do 2 overlaps. We're gonna go this way first, and then we're gonna go this way. But first things first, I'm putting this chemical down. I have the animals inside, and now I gotta get this guy in his cage. So he's gonna give me a challenge. Let's see. All right, wasn't too bad. He didn't give me too much of a challenge today. All right, now it's time to spray. A quick recap of what was just done. I had a 2 gallon mix. I have a 2,000 square foot yard, so 1 gallon I use going vertically, the other gallon I use going horizontally, or whatever the case. All right, so I did not mix 2 4 gallons or 2 gallons to make 4 gallons in a sprayer. I use 1 gallon going this way and 1 gallon going this way. So the same 2 gallons that I use for my 2,000 square feet, I just put down one time. All right, so we're out here in the front, and I feel I need to show you guys this just in case you get the wrong idea of what Prodiamine does. So Prodiamine is not a post-emergent herbicide, meaning if you have weeds actively growing, Prodiamine is not going to kill them. Prodiamine, what it does is it prevents weeds for about the next 2 to 3 months from germinating or popping up from the ground into your lawn. So we have spring type weeds, we have winter type weeds, both germinating at different temperatures in the soil. But real quick, so I can show you guys, all right, I can show you here better. If you see that browning in here, that's already weeds that I'm trying to kill. You can see here some more examples. See, these are weeds that I'm trying to kill now. And if you're interested, what I used there was Blindside. Now there's pros and cons to Blindside. The best pro is Blindside works really fast. Now the downside to that is it works so fast that you might need 2 applications for some weeds. But Blindside pretty much kills, in my yard, it kills at least 99% of the weeds, and I have no problem with it. So we already have a pre-mixed amount of Prodiamine that we're going to put down in the front yard, and we're going to do the same motion. I have 2 gallons. This is 2,000 square feet, and that's 2,000 here and 2,000 up there. I'm sorry, that's 700 here, and that's 1,300 in here. So we're going to do the same motion. We're going to go up and down 1 gallon, and then left to right another gallon. All right, so the job is complete. That gives you about 3 months of coverage of pre-emergent for weeds on your lawn. I got the sprinkler started up. Everything's gonna get watered in for the next 10 minutes. And it's a rinse and repeat application in about 3 weeks to make sure you have that maximum coverage. Again, use only the minimum or the medium amount of the product in your lawn. Do not use the maximum amount if you plan to put this application twice in a season. Maximum application twice is just a little overkill. Again, I want to give a big shout out and a big thank you to Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut, and Brett from Brett Brascapades. Down below is a link to their YouTube channel. Guys, I appreciate it. Thank you again so much for having me out there. And to the rest of you watching, I'll see you in the next video.